A Medical Organization and Association Guide. Chapter 1. Medical Organizations and Associations. Medical Organization Websites. 1. National Safety Council. nsc.org. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. cdc.gov. American Academy of Pediatrics. aap.org. Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. ahrq.gov/news/focus/chchild.htm. Federal Interagency Forum on Child and Family Statistics. childstats.gov. American Lung Association. lungusa.org. National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute. nhlby.nih.gov. National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, NIH, DHHS. The Framingham Heart Study. framingham.com/heart/backgrnd.htm. National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, NIH, DHHS. 2002. Framingham Heart Study. nhlby.nih.gov/about/framingham/timeline.htm. Tulane School of Public Health and Tropical Medicine, Center for Cardiovascular Health. ND. The Bogalusa Heart Study. som.tulane.edu/cardiohealth/bog.html. U.S. Census Bureau. census.gov. Population Resource Center. prcdc.org. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, DHHS. 2002. Trends in Diabetes. cdc.gov/diabetes/pub/factsheet/aian.htm. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, DHHS. ND. Diabetes cdc.gov/diabetes/projects/cda2.htm. Office of Minority Health, CDC. cdc.gov/omh/am/factsheet/mental.htm. Office of the Surgeon General. surgeongeneral.gov. Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services. samhsa.gov. Indian Health Service. ihs.gov. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. hhs.gov. National Center for Health Statistics. cdc.gov/nchs. National Library of Medicine. nlm.nih.gov. National Center for Injury Prevention and Control. cdc.gov/ncipc/osb/charts.htm. U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. epa.gov. Office of the Surgeon General, Public Health Service. Overweight and Obesity. surgeongeneral.gov/topics/obesity/call-to-action/facts/het03.pdf. Physicians for Social Responsibility. psr.igc.org. Medical Organization Websites. 2. American Academy of Cerebral Palsy and Developmental Medicine. aacpdm.org. American Academy of Pain Medicine. painmed.org. American Academy of Hospice and Palliative Medicine. apm.org. American Academy of Neurology. aan.com. American Association of Neuromuscular and Electrodiagnostic Medicine, ANM. anm.org. American Board of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. abpmr.org. American Cancer Society. cancer.org. Literature on Cancer, Cancer Grant Information, and Local Chapters. American College of Sports Medicine. acsm.org. American Congress of Rehabilitation Medicine. acrm.org. American Geriatrics Society. americangeriatrics.org. American Heart Association. americanheart.org. American Medical Association. ama-association.org. American Spinal Cord Injury Association. asia-spinalinjury.org. AAMC's academic medicine website. aamc.org. Association of American Medical Colleges material on medical schools and teaching hospitals. Arthritis Foundation. Arthritis.org. Association of Academic Physiatrists. Physicaliatry.org. The Bone and Joint Decade for Prevention and Treatment of Musculoskeletal Disorders. boneandjointdecade.org. Brain Injury Association of America. BIAUSA.org. Health Information Management Society. HIMSS.org. Medical Computing and Communications. International Society of Physical and Rehabilitation Medicine, ISPRM. ISBRM.org. National Osteoporosis Foundation. NOF.org. National Spinal Cord Injury Association. Spinalcord.org. North American Spine Society. Spine.org. Osteoarthritis Research Society International, ORSI. ORSI.org. Sociedad Mexicana de Medicina Física y Rehabilitación, AC. SMMFR. Rehabilitacion.org.mx. Trelor and Heisel. th-online.net. Trelor and Heisel are professional association insurance administrators. American Board of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. abpmr.org/diplomate/mock.html. PMNR, the Journal of Injury, Function, and Rehabilitation. pmrjournal.org. Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. archives-pmr.org. Consortium for Spinal Cord Medicine. pba.org/site/pages over?paganame=research_consort. Established by the Paralyzed Veterans of America, PVA. MedBioWorld. medbioworld.com. Resource with links to more than 30 journals related to PMNR. Medical Matrix. medmatrix.org. One of the Internet's largest medical indexing sites. New England Journal of Medicine. NAM.org. National Center for Biotechnology. ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. Rehabilitation Research and Development. research.va.gov/program/rrd.cfm. rehabtrials.org. rehabtrials.org. The Traumatic Brain Injury National Data Center. tbindsc.org. Visible Human Project. nlm.nih.gov/research/visible_human.html. The National Library of Medicine's complete, anatomically detailed, three-dimensional representations of the male and female human body. World Health Organization. who.in/n. Medscape. medscape.com. Search abstracts online in thousands of medical journals in National Library of Medicine databases, including Medline registered. National Library of Medicine. nlm.nih.gov. Paperchase. paperchase.com. A service that provides access to Medline and other medical databases. PubMed. pibmed.com. The U.S. National Library of Medicine's huge online medical database. Rehabilitation Training Centers. Mayo Clinic Research Training Grants. mayoresearch.mayo.edu/mayo/research/training grants. Training grants page of the Mayo Clinic website. AHRQ Guidelines. ahrq.gov. Clinical Practice Guidelines from the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality, formerly the Agency for Healthcare Policy and Research. Medical Organization Websites 3. ASIP.org, Association of Interventional Pain Physicians. AANS.org, the American Association of Neurological Surgeons. AAAAI.org, Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. AACC.org, Clinical Chemistry. ACOM.org, Colleges of Osteopathic Medicine. AACPM.org, Colleges of Podiatric Medicine. ads.jhu.edu, Association of Dental Schools. AAFA.org, 800-727-8462, Asthma and Allergy Foundation. AAFP.org, Family Physicians. ASI.net, ASN. Of Healthcare Consultants. operd.org/ai/ai-main.html, Association for Health Education. ASA.org, Association of Homes and Services for the Aging. AAMA-NTL.org, Medical Assistance. AAMC.org, Association of American Medical Colleges. AANA.com, Nurse Anesthetists. AANP.org, Nurse Practitioners. AAOMS.org, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons. AAP.org, Pediatrics. AAPA.org, Physician Assistants. AAPD.org, Pediatric Dentistry. AAPMR.org, Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. AARC.org, Respiratory Care. ABANES.org, Board of Anesthesiology. ABIM.org, 800-441-2246, American Board of Internal Medicine. ABOG.org, Board of Obstetrics and Gynecology. ACHCA.org, Healthcare Administrators. AIC.org, Healthcare Executives. AIC.org/right, Physician Executives. ACOG.org, Obstetricians and Gynecologists. ACPE.org, 800-562-8088, American College of Physician Executives, Physicians Executive Journal. ACPOnline.org, College of Physicians. ADHA.org, Dental Hygienists Association. AHA.org, HospitalConnect.com, American Hospital Association. AHIMA.org, Health Information Management Association. AHRAonline.org, 800-334-2472, Healthcare Radiology Administrators. AMA-association.org, American Medical Association. AMIA.org, Medical Informatics Association. AMT1.com, American Medical Technologists. AMWA-doc.org, Medical Women's Association. AOASSN.org, Orthopedic Association. AONE.org, Nurse Executives. AODIA.org, 800-377-8555, Occupational Therapy. AFA.org, Public Health Association. APMA.org, Podiatric Medical Association. APTA.org, Physical Therapy Association. ASAHQ.org, Society of Anesthesiologists. ASBP.org, Society of Bariatric Physicians. ASBS.org, Society for Bariatric Surgery. ASHA.org, 800-498-2071, Speech Language Hearing Association. ChestNet.org, Chest Physicians. CHIROME.org, National Association for Chiropractic Medicine. Cosmo.org, Coalition of Hispanic Health and Human Services Organizations. EYENet.org, Ophthalmology. FACS.org, American College of Surgeons. HFMA.org, Healthcare Financial Management Association. HIMSS.org, Healthcare Information and Management Systems Society. MGMA.com/ACMPE, Medical Practice Executives. NMNA.org, National Medical Association. NursingWorld.org, Nurses Association. Perio.org, Periodontology. Psych.org, Psychiatric Association. SGIM.org, General Internal Medicine. Medical organization websites for American Medical Association. 515 North State Street, Chicago, Illinois 60610. 312-464-5000. Fax, 312-464-4184. 800 955-3565. AMA-association.org. American Medical Women's Association. 801 North Fairfax Street. Number 400. Alexandria, Virginia 22314. 703-838-0500. amwa-doc.org. Association of American Medical Colleges. 2450 N. St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20037-1126. 202-828-0400. aamc.org. Aerospace Medical Association. 320 South Henry Street. Alexandria, Virginia 22314. 703-739-2240. ASMA.org. American Academy of Allergy and Immunology. 611 East Wells Street. Milwaukee, Wisconsin 53202. 414-272-6071. Fax 414-272-6970. 800-822-2762. AAAAI.org. Will provide information, send pamphlets, and provide a list of summer camps for allergy-afflicted children. American Academy of Audiology. 1735 North Lynn Street. Number 950. Arlington, Virginia 22209. 800-222-2732. American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery. 401 North Michigan Avenue. Chicago, Illinois 60611. 312-527-6713. American Academy of Physician Assistants. 703-836-2272. aapia.org. American Academy of Dermatology. 930 North Meacham Road. Schaumburg, Illinois 60173-4965. 847-330-0230. 888-462-3376. aad.org. American Academy of Environmental Medicine. 10 Randolph Street. New Hope, Pennsylvania 18938. 215-862-4544. AAEM.com. American Academy of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. 800-332-3223. 800-635-0635. 888-475-2784. PlasticSurgery.org. American Academy of Family Physicians. 11400 Tomahawk Creek Parkway. Leawood, Kansas 66211-2672. 800-274-2237. 800-944-0000. 913-906-6000. fp@aafp.org. aafp.org. familydoctor.org. Professional Organization of Family Doctors. Monthly magazine plus general medical publications. American Academy of Head and Facial Pain. 520 West Pipeline Road. Hurst, Texas 76053. American Academy of Neurology. 1080 Montreal Avenue. St. Paul, Minnesota 55116. 612-623-8115. Fax 612-623-3504. AAN.com. Professional Organization of Neurologists. Monthly magazines Neurology and the Dendrite plus info about neurological disorders. American Academy of Ophthalmology. 655 Beach Street. epub 7424. San Francisco, California 94120-7424. 415-561-8500. 800-222-3937. Fax 415-561-8500. 8533. EYEnet.org. Professional organization, free publications. Their eye care project offers free eye care to qualified seniors over 65. American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons. 6300 North River Road, Rosemont, Illinois 60018. 708-823-8125. 800-626-6726. 800-824 Bones. AAOS.org. Professional organization of doctors who specialize in injuries of the musculoskeletal system. Free publications such as arthroscopy, joint replacement, sprains, live it safe, etc. American Academy of Otolaryngology. Head and neck surgery. 1 Prince Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22314. 800-546-9493. 703-836-4444. 703-836-4444, TTY. Antnet.org. Professional organization, monthly magazine, several publications. American Academy of Pediatrics. 141 Northwest Point Boulevard, Elk Grove, Illinois 60007-1098. 800-433-9016. 847-228-5005. Fax, 847-434-8000. Pedscarer@aap.org. aap.org. Referrals for children's doctors. Send letter asking for free booklets, i.e. Family Shopping Guide to Car Seats and Reducing the Risk of AIDS. American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry. 211 East Chicago Avenue, number 700. Chicago, Illinois 60611. 312-337-6329. American Academy of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. Number 2500. 1 IBM Plaza, Chicago, Illinois 60611. 312-464-9700. Fax, 312-464-0227. info@aapmr.org. aapmr.org. American Academy of Physician Assistants. 950 North Washington Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22314-1552. 703-836-2272. Fax, 703-684-1924. aapia@aapia.org. aapia.org. 2 monthlies plus a products and services catalog. American Academy of Podiatric Sports Medicine. 800-438-3355. American Association for Marriage and Family Therapy. 1133 15th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20005. 800-374-2638. 202-452-0109. Fax, 202-223-2329. aamft.org. American Association of Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Rehabilitation. Number 201. 7611 Elmwood Avenue, Middleton, Wisconsin 53562. 608-831-6989. Fax, 608-831-5122. aacvpr.org. American Association of Critical Care Nurses. 101 Columbia, Aliso Viejo, California 92656-1491. 800-899 Octon. 800-809 Care. 714-362-2050. Fax, 714-362-2020. aacn.org. American Association of Immunologists. 9650, Rockville Pike. Bethesda, Maryland, 20814. 301-530-7178. Fax, 301-571-1816. American Association for Respiratory Care. 972-243-2272. AARC.org. American Association of Medical Assistants. 312-899-1500. AAMA-NTL.org. American College of Emergency Physicians. 800-446-9776. ASP.org. American College of Gastroenterology. 800-478-2876. American College of Healthcare Administrators. 325 South Patrick Street, Alexandria, Virginia, 22314. 703-739-7900. 888-88 HK. Fax, 703-739-7901. ACHCA.org. American College of Nurse Midwives. 202-728-9860. ACNM.org. American College of Occupational and Environmental Medicine. 55 West Seegers Road, Arlington Heights, IL 60005. 847-228-6860. ACOM.org. American College of Physicians. Independence Mall W. 6th St. and Race. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19106. 800-523-1546. 215-351-2400. ACPOnline.org. This is an organization of professionals who specialize in all manner of diseases like cancer and heart disease. American College of Osteopathic Surgeons. 123 North Henry Street, Alexandria, Virginia, 22314. 703-684-0416. American College of Preventive Medicine. 1015 15th Street Northwest, number 403. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-789-0003. Fax, 289-8274. American College of Sports Medicine. POG 1440. Indianapolis, Indiana, 46206. 317-637-9200. ACSM.org. American College of Surgeons. 55 East Erie Street, Chicago, Illinois, 60611. 312-664-4050. FACS.org. Information about surgery. American College of Women's Health Physicians. 1111 North Plaza Drive, number 550. Schaumburg, Illinois, 60173. 847-517-7402. American Gastroenterological Association. 6900 Grove Road, Thoroughfare, New Jersey, 08086. 301-654-2055. Gastro.org. American Medical Association. 800-621-8335. AMA-association.org. American Nurses Association. Number 100. 600 Maryland Avenue, SW. Washington, D.C. 20024-2571. 800-274-4262. 800-638-3030, Free Career Guide. 202-554-4444. Fax, 202-651-7001. NursingWorld.org. American Nurse, monthly, also a job service. Every state has a nursing association. American Occupational Therapy Association. 301-652-2682. aotia.org. American Optometric Association. 243 North Lindbergh Boulevard, St. Louis, Missouri 63141. 314-991-4100. Fax, 314-991-4101. aoanet.org. aoa.org. Professional organization of optometrists who offer referrals and educational materials. Ask about locations of local optometrist schools where you can get cheap eye work done. American Osteopathic Association. 142 East Ontario Street, Chicago, Illinois 60611. 800-621-1773. 312-280-5854. Fax, 312-280-3860. am-osteo-association.org. aoa-net.org. American Physical Therapy Association. 1111 North Fairfax Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22314-1488. 800-999 APTA. 703-684-2782. Fax, 703-684-7343. apta.org. American Podiatric Medical Association. 9312 Old Georgetown Road, Bethesda, Maryland 20814. 800 Foot Care. 301-571-9200. apma.org. American Psychiatric Association. 1400 K St. N.W. Number 501. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-682-6220. apa.com. psych.org. api.org/news. American Psychological Association. 750 1st Street Northeast, Washington, D.C. 20002-4242. 800-374-2721. 202-336-5500. 202-336-5510. apa.org. American Psychological Society. 1010 Vermont Avenue, NW. Number 1100. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-783-2077. Hanover.edu/psych/APS. American Public Health Association. 1015 15th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-789-5600. Fax, 202-789-5681. afa.org. Professional Organization of Medical Workers from all subfields. American Rentgen Ray Society. 1891 Preston White Drive, Reston, Virginia 20191. arrs.org. American School Health Association. 7263 St. Route 43, Pub 708. Kent, Ohio 44240-0708. 330-678-1601. Fax, 330-678-4526. ashaweb.org. American Society for Dermatologic Surgery. 800-441-2737. American Society of Anesthesiologists. 520 North Northwest Highway, PK, Ridge, Illinois 60068. 847-825-5586. Fax, 847-825-1692. Mail at asahq.org. asahq.org. anestesiology.org. American Society of Clinical Pathologists. 2100 West Harrison Street, Chicago, Illinois 60612. 800-621-4142. ASCP.org. American Society of Handicapped Physicians. 105 Morris Drive, Bastrop, Louisiana 71220. 318-281-4436. American Society of Internal Medicine. Number 800. 2011 Pennsylvania Avenue, NW. Washington, D.C. 20006. 202-835-2746. All manner of diseases. American Society of Plastic and Reconstructive Surgeons. 444 East Algonquin Road, Arlington Heights, IL 60005. 888 for Plastic. 888-475-2784. 708-228-9900. PlasticSurgery.org. ASBRS.com. American Society of Radiology Technologists. 15,000 Central Avenue, SE. Albuquerque, New Mexico 87123. 505-298-4500. ASRT.org. American Speech Language Hearing Association. 800-498-2071. ASHA.org. American Urological Association. UAUnet.org. Canadian Medical Association. 1867 Alta Vista Way, Ottawa, on KIG 3 year. 613-731-9331. 800-267-9703. CMA.ca. Chinese American Medical Society. 281 Edgewood Avenue, Teaneck, New Jersey 07666. 201-833-1506. CAMS Newsletter. College of American Pathologists. 325 Waukegan Road, Northfield, Illinois 60093. 708-446-8800. CAP.org. College of Healthcare Information Management Executives. 3300 Washtenaw Avenue, 255. Ann Arbor, Michigan 48104. 734-665-4922. chime-net.org/crc/job. Endocrine Society. 4350 East West Highway, number 590. Bethesda, Maryland 20814. 888 Endosoc. Endosociety.org. Gerontological Society of America. 1275 K St. N.W. number 350. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-842-1275. geron.org. International Chiropractors Association. 800-423-4690. chiroparacetic.org. National Association for Home Care and Hospice. 202-547-7424. NACI.org. National Association for Practical Nurse Education and Services. Number 310. 1400 Spring Street, Silver Spring, Maryland 20910. 301-588-2491. National Association of Emergency Medical Technicians. 800-346-2368. 601-924-7744. NAMT.org. National Association of Social Workers. Number 700. 750 1st Street Northeast, Washington, D.C. 20002. 800-638-8799. 202-408-8600. NASWDC.org. Socialworkers.org. National Coalition on Immune System Disorders. 1030 15th Street Northwest. Number 468. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-371-8090. Major support network of 13 organizations. National League for Nursing. 800-669-1656. 212-363-5555. NLN.org. National Society of Genetic Counselors. 610-872-7608. NSGC.org. Opticians Association of America. 10341 Democracy Lane, Fairfax, Virginia 22030. 703-691-8355. Fax, 703-691-3929. Radiological Society of N.A. 2021, Spring Road. Number 600. Oak Brook, Illinois 60523. 630-571-2670. Fax, 630-571-7837. rsna.org. Society of Diagnostic Medical Sonographers. 12770 Cold Road. Number 508. Dallas, Texas 75251. 214-239-7367. 800-229-9506. 214-473-8057. sdms.org. Society of Nuclear Medicine. 1840 Samuel Morse Drive, Reston, Virginia 20190. 703-708-9000. snm.org. Society of Critical Care Medicine. 8101 East Kaiser Boulevard, 3rd FL. Anaheim, California 92808-2259. sccm.org.